Hello everyone, it's Miss Tapia again. I am here to quickly show you how to export your works cited. So I am in Noodle Tools. I click on my project. I make sure I'm on the sources page here. And before I show you how to export your works cited, I want to show you a really cool tool that comes with Noodle Tools. So here I have my citations, right? And as you're paraphrasing and as you're putting in direct quotes into your paper, if you don't know or you are not sure what to put in those parentheses at the end of your sentence, you click on the options button next to your citation. And if you click on in-text reference, it will tell you right at the top, at the end of your sentence, this is what should be in your parentheses, right? Since it's online, you don't need to put a page number, so this would just say Anderson. If you have a citation that begins with the title of an article, here's one we have here. It's called Two-Party System. Again, I click on options, go to in-text reference, and it'll tell me that this is what belongs in my parentheses at the end of my sentence. So remember, whether you are paraphrasing, putting things in your own words, but the idea came from a source, you need to cite using in-text references or using these parentheses. Okay, now how to export your works cited. So you click on print export here, you click export to Google Docs, and you give it some time. And while we're waiting for this to load, oh, actually here it is. Here we go. So this is works cited. It's all in perfect alphabetical order. You don't need to touch it. Don't change, I guess if you're not using Times New Roman, which you should because it's MLA, but if you're not using Times New Roman as your font for whatever reason, make sure that this font matches whatever you're writing your essay in. I want to point out that this is the hanging indent here that is required of MLA format, and you're going to copy and paste this guy into the last page of your essay. It should start on its own page. Okay. Other than that, oh, I should say that if this doesn't show up for you, if it doesn't just if it doesn't just pop up for you, you need to figure out how to unblock your pop-ups. Okay, so again, just Google that. If you're using Chrome, Google how to disable block up poppers using Chrome. If you need help, if you want someone to read over your essay, anything, please feel free to email me at atapia@shcp.edu. Other than that, all of you are actually doing a really incredible job considering that we are distance learning, so keep it up. Congratulations on making it through your freshman year. I wish you all the best and take care.